thanks, but no thanks. I'm gonna stay out here.
But you have to go see your new basement, Twilight.
Looking for some cheering up, then just head right on down to the Sugar Cane basement. When you get inside, you'll find yourself a cheery land, such a happy and joyful and quirky party land. They've got pumping puffs and lemon drops and sugar cane, and so many cakes that will brighten up your day. It's impossible to wear a crown. Cupcake Town is the mecca of love and whatsoever. They've got blossoms, apples, so hats flying by, stars and rain. It's a wonderland of sweet and friendly company. Cricket Town and through the cider band, lemon bland, it's a treat as they watch across the land. Cherry Town is across the sky. Look round, turn around, in a stout, it's a candy apple tree. In the sugar malted agitation, rock so free, so not Twilight before you go in the basement.
All right, fine. I'll go look at your new basement.